In November 2024, we received a call from a food manufacturer in Southern California requesting repairs on a Rome Hercules series gearbox. We worked with them to arrange transportation to our facility. The gearbox arrived at our facility with a lot of corrosion and leaking oil from the seals. Our technician began the disassembly and inspection process. Our technicians completed their evaluation, noting any issues. All of the gearbox components were sent through our parts washer to ensure a clean working environment. The high-speed input shaft had some damage to the seal areas. The low-speed shaft and gear was in good condition. The customer supplied a new low-speed shaft and gear along with new bearings. The gearbox housing was cleaned, interior painted with red insulating varnish, and all mating surfaces and bearing bores were polished. The new bearings were installed onto the new input shaft. The low-speed gear and shaft were then installed into the housing. The new high-speed gear and shaft were then installed. The housing halves were bolted together. Floats were checked, seals were installed, and the cover plates installed. The gearbox was test ran, cleaned, and prepared for painting. A fresh coat of gray enamel was applied, and the gearbox secured to a pallet for transportation.